What's up, YouTube world, the trucking journey, the John Joseph channel? Check it out here in my home. California, y'all, we getting a lot of rain. Just wanted to share this with you guys. All that over there is beautiful grass. It is flooded now. We'll go up ahead a little bit so you guys can see that this thing is all flooded. Yes, sir. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you guys, that we are getting a lot of rain here in Southern California. This is how it's looking out here. Yeah, but anyways, you know, over there in Northern California, prayers to everybody out there because they're getting that rain very heavy too. And you guys can see our clouds, man. We got some clouds. I'm pretty sure Big Bear right now, it's snowing a lot. Anyways, guys, I'm at home. Just came to grab something to eat. I wanted to share this with you guys. Here in Southern California, we are getting these heavy rains. We're getting flooded. The streets are getting flooded, but we all right, man. All right, peace out.